Find the area of the square from the given figure. Joining lines, trigonometric identities, arithmetic, and algebraic operations are used to solve this question. Solution. Label points C, D, E, and G. Locate the center of the semicircle, O. Join line O, E and O, G. Let angle G, O, D be equals to 2 times theta. Let the side length of the square be x. Length E, G equals length E, D. It is because tangent lines to a circle from the same external point are equal. Also, length O, E bisect angle G, O, D. Since length O, G equals length O, D, which equals the radius, R of the semicircle. From triangle EOD, using trigonometric identity. Length D divided by length OD equals x divided by half of x, which simplified to 2. The result is equals to tan theta. This implies that tan theta equals to 2. We call it equation 1. By trigonometric identity. The sum of 1 and tan square theta equals the square inverse of cos theta. Substitute equation 1, we have that the sum of 1 and square 2 equals 5, which equals to the square of reciprocal of cos theta. Cross multiply and solve for the square of cos theta. It follows that cos square theta equals 1 over 5. We call it equation 2. Using trigonometric identity again. Sine square theta equals 1 minus cosine square theta. Put equation 2. It signify that sine square theta equals 1 minus cosine square theta, which equals to 4 divided by 5. Find the square root of the equation. This implies that sine theta equals the square root of 4 over 5, which equals 2 divided by the square root of 5. We call it equation 3. Consider triangle COG. Angle COG equals 180 degrees minus 2 times theta. It is because the sum of angles in a straight line equals 180 degrees. By trigonometric identity. Length CG divided by length OG equals 8 divided by half of x, which equals to 16 over x. The result is equals to sine 180 degrees minus 2 times theta. We call it equation T. This implies that by trigonometric identity, sine 180 degrees minus 2 times theta equals sine 2 times theta, which equals to 2 times the product of sine theta and cosine theta. Substitute equation 3 and equation 2I. We have that sine 180 degrees minus 2 times theta equals 2 times sine theta multiplied by cosine theta, which equals to 4 divided by 5. After simplification of substituted values. This implies that sine 180 degrees minus 2 times theta equals 4 over 5. We call it equation 4. Substitute equation 4 into equation T. This implies that 16 divided by x equals sine 180 degrees minus 2 times theta, which equals to 4 over 5. It follows that 16 divided by x equals 4 divided by 5. Cross-multiply and solve for x. This implies that 4 times x equals 16 times 5. Divide out by 4. It follows that x equals 1/4 of 16 times 5, which equals to 20. Therefore, x equals 20 units. Since x is the side length of the square, therefore, the area of the square equals x square, which equals to 20 square. The result is equals to 400 square units.